Okay, turn on the brakes. So when I do brakes, both the brake lights come on, plus both the turn signal lights come on. Okay, let off the brakes and do the driver's turn signal. So driver's turn signal, both the brake lights flash, plus the driver's turn signal turns on. Hit the brakes. Driver's turn signal plus the brakes. It locks up the brake lights and the turn signal. Okay, do the passenger turn signal without brakes. Turn signal works just fine. Hit the brakes, and it works just fine, but it also lights up the driver's turn signal. Alright.